Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Let's kick off by learning some basic vegetable phrases in Norwegian. Knowing this will help you talk about veggies and share what you like. It's a great start for learning Norwegian words for vegetables. Here are some useful phrases for saying what you like or don't like. Jeg liker grønnsaker. Jeg liker grønnsaker. Jeg liker grønnsaker. I like vegetables. Jeg liker ikke grønnsaker. Jeg liker ikke grønnsaker. Jeg liker ikke grønnsaker. I don't like vegetables. Hva er din favorittgrønnsak? Hva er din favorittgrønnsak? Hva er din favorittgrønnsak? What's your favorite vegetable? Min favorittgrønnsak er gulrøtter. Min favorittgrønnsak er gulrøtter. Min favorittgrønnsak er gulrøtter. My favorite vegetable is carrots. You can change gulrøtter, carrots to your favorite to make the talk more personal. Want to know what the vegetable someone likes? And these phrases will help you. Hva slags grønnsaker liker du? Hva slags grønnsaker liker du? Hva slags grønnsaker liker du? What kind of vegetables do you like? Hvilken grønnsak liker du best? Hvilken grønnsak liker du best? Hvilken grønnsak liker du best? Which vegetable do you like the most? With these phrases, you can ask about anyone's favorite vegetables. Now let's get deeper into Norwegian vegetable names. The next part will teach you common names of vegetables in Norwegian. Here are some handy Norwegian phrases for cooking with veggies. Jeg lager en grønnsakssuppe. Jeg lager en grønnsakssuppe. Jeg lager en grønnsakssuppe. I'm making a vegetable soup. Kan du anbefale noen grønnsaksoppskrifter? Kan du anbefale noen grønnsaksoppskrifter? Kan du anbefale noen grønnsaksoppskrifter? Can you recommend any vegetable recipes? Vi skal steke grønnsakene i ovnen. Vi skal steke grønnsakene i ovnen. Vi skal steke grønnsakene i ovnen. We're going to roast the vegetables in the oven. Jeg trenger løk og hvitløk til denne retten. Jeg trenger løk og hvitløk til denne retten. Jeg trenger løk og hvitløk til denne retten. I need onion and garlic for this dish. With these phrases, you can easily talk about what you like to cook. You can also ask for tips and share recipes with native Norwegian speakers. This quick guide is your key to speaking about vegetables in Norwegian with confidence. You know basic phrases and how to say Norwegian vegetable names. So go ahead and start conversations about vegetables. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the NLS Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering one free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for one free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no nlsnorwegian.no.